Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carbajal, and today we've got part 3 of our customization of Studio Series Blitzwing. Let's go! Thanks for joining me again, everyone. It's great to have you back. And today we're going to pick things up right where we left off and start adding some finer details onto our Blitzwing, but we're actually not done spray painting just yet. On his weapon, I do want to get the top part painted in purple, so I'm going to mask off the other sections here. Same thing with the side skirts. I'm going to get the top part painted in purple right at that panel line here, so I'm going to mask off the bottom part. And for the legs, I do want to paint in the two wings that are going to go behind his legs. The one that's going to be in the center, I'm going to paint a nice flat gray, and the one that's on the outside of his leg is going to go the same tan color. Speaking of that same gray, I'm going to use it to paint in the nose cone as well. And lastly, Blitzwing has had a predominant design that's lasted through many different iterations. He's had these different red triangles in his chest area, so I want to try and add them onto this figure as well. I'm going to mask off the top section here to try to recreate that. So with all that said, let's get started. I'll still paint in this gap that was left out and this section for the purple. Everything else that was kind of missed out with the spray painting, but overall it's looking pretty good. And last but not least, okay, that looks pretty damn good. Not too bad. So before I lock the leg into place and have the gray wing coming out of the back, I do want to add a red stripe on it just to give it a bit of color. So what I'm going to do first, just to make it pop, is add some flat white to it, and then once that dries up, go over it with some nice shiny red. Well, we got quite a bit done today, and I am now seeing our Blitzwing starting to come together, so that's awesome. When we come back next week, we'll keep adding some more painted details and get closer towards that finish. So hope you can all join me for that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Take care, everyone.